All right, everybody, we're on page 196, and this is a really fun piece called La Cinquantaine. And this composer had a longer complete name, but he changed his name to Gabriel Marie, kind of like Prince. You know, he took sort of a rock star name and made his way. This is, you know, in the 19th century. And this is probably his biggest hit. And I didn't really know what it meant at first, but every time I got gigs playing at like 50th wedding anniversaries, I was asked to play this. And then I put two and two together and realized, oh, it means the 50th. So it's the 50th wedding anniversary. So it's a good piece to have in your fingers if you're doing gigs. Okay, and I threw it in here because we have a broken chord accompaniment style. It also has a B diminished chord, so if you play the chords at the top of the page, B major, B minor, and then B diminished is all white keys, B, D, F. So take a look and see if you can find it. B with a little circle, it's in the second full measure, measure 4. You'll find it again in measure 11, and let's see where else, measure 13. So I think because this has a pretty active left hand, I'd like to start with the left hand. The chords are all broken. And notice the pattern is slur 2 and then staccato 2. It's broken in, you know, some measures, like measure 6, it's all staccato, but try to get the articulation. So let's just try left hand. A minor, 1, 2, here we go. Slur, staccato, B diminished, D minor, A minor, invert it, B diminished, D minor, now A minor, D minor, A minor second inversion, E major root, so that's your 5 chord, right? Back to 1. Invert it, B diminished, and D minor. Invert it, B diminished, D minor, A minor, sorry, that's staccato, A minor, E major, and then just an octave fifth in the middle. Okay, so it's kind of a precise articulation, which does give this piece the character and quality. Go ahead and let's try the right hand. You're going to want to find an E octave and then fill things in between. Then get ready to move anytime you see fingerings. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Move it up. 5 on A. 3. I'll add the left here. Move up. Back to A. Move it up. 5. Crossover 3. So I wonder how many people recognize this. I had heard it sort of vaguely in the distance, but it really came on my radar when I was in grad school and doing a lot of gigs in San Francisco, and a lot of them had 50th work anniversaries or wedding anniversaries. So it might be a little premature to put it together, but there's a lot of inversions and the B diminished. So pick a hand or try both if you feel ready. 1, 2, 3. So enjoy that piece and put it in your bag of tricks if you're doing gigs.